How to fix blue screen on Windows? First step, disconnect the external device. Shut down the PC. If you added any device recently means you need to disconnect and turn on the PC again. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. Click advanced app. In that, click reset now. Click it and click reset now. Because it can fix damaged system files and other startup problems. So once the reset complete after, then move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click run as administrator and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. The process will take some times because it's entirely scan and verifying your files in your device. Verification completed successfully. Exit it, then move on with next step. Check your RAM. Search for run and type the following text: mdsched.exe. Click OK. Check your computer for memory problems. Click reset now and check for problems. Click it and move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. Right click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Make sure it is not almost completely full your drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click recovery settings, click reset this PC and click reset PC. A pop-up will appear. Choose an option: keep my files or remove everything. Keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. But remove everything, remove all your personal files and apps and settings. I go with keep my files. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Local reinstall. I go with local reinstall. You can check the settings, depends on you. You can change it and click next and follow the instruction which are given and reset the PC. Thank you.